We begin with breaking news amidst the Texas flooding crisis. A fire burning this morning at a flooded chemical plant in Crosby is blamed on the disaster.
Police had evacuated a wide area around the facility after its owner said there was no way to prevent an explosion. At least one sheriff's deputy needed hospital treatment after inhaling chemical fumes.
The plant in Crosby is about 25 miles northeast of Houston. It was shut down last week before Harvey made landfall. David Begnaud is in Crosby. He just left a fire department where crews are assessing the damage. David, good morning.
Good morning. We are at the Crosby Fire Department about 5 miles from where the plant is right now. We do not see black smoke in the air, but we were able to get a helicopter over the plant, and you could see flames and smoke that were coming from it. This had apparently been burning for several hours. The rupture, as officials are calling it, happened more than 6 hours ago. Behind me right now, officials with the plant are speaking. They have not been willing to release the number of chemicals that are being housed at their facility. The list of chemicals they have not wanted to talk about. They are answering some questions right now. The bottom line is there are 9 different trucks, if you will, box trucks on the premises. 3 have lost refrigeration and 1 has ruptured. We saw flames and smoke above the flooded Arkema plant. Overnight, emergency response vehicles blocked surrounding roads as the black smoke filled the air under the cover of darkness.
There was a chemical decomposition, chemical reaction that resulted in a fire at that location.
Since Harvey hit on Friday, this plant has been filled with more than 5 feet of water. By Sunday, all the backup systems had failed, and on Tuesday, officials ordered all homes within a 1.5-mile radius to be evacuated. In a statement, the company has said without proper refrigeration, chemicals at the plant will likely degrade and catch fire. The fire will be explosive and intense, giving off a thick black smoke, which can be irritating to the eyes, skin, and lungs. Now, this Crosby facility produces organic peroxides, used mainly to make plastics. On the company website, safety videos show what happens when those chemicals heat up. Even a small amount can cause an uncontrollable and violent fire.
They should have had something to stop it.
Matt Dempsey's with the Houston Chronicle. He has investigated more than 2,000 nearby chemical plants that are at risk for potential harm. He says the Arkema plant ranks 21st on that list.
The plant is flooded. Your reaction is you're surprised at what?
I'm surprised they didn't neutralize the chemical. It just seems like the easiest thing to do when you see that much water would be, let's neutralize the chemical. It's more important to get rid of our stock of this stuff and neutralize the threat than it is to just keep it cool.
So emergency officials are telling us inside of each of those box cars are 1 to 10 gallon containers, and inside of there is about 36,000 pounds of the material that is used to manufacture plastic. The flames were shooting 30 to 40 feet in the air, and there are 9 of them. Remember, 1 has ruptured, and the emergency officials told us a short time ago, we expect the other 8 could go as well.
That's not what you want to hear right now. Thank you very much, David.